Hey everyone, so I was able to pick up, as you can see, the M2 MacBook Air, and really I didn't pre-order, so you could get this at the Apple Store because they just released today, and I got the configuration that was 1 terabyte, 16 gigabytes, and 10 core, so I believe that's the fully maxed version, and really we're just going to cover I wouldn't want to do it usually, but people like unboxing. There's a big SEO thread on it, so I normally just kind of talk about this in the review, but it seems like people enjoy listening, seeing what's in the box, experiencing getting the new product before they actually get it. So similar to the M2, the M1, this version has the new Starlight version. I did have a friend say that she was interested in buying the Starlight version, but wanted to see compared to all the other versions. Now, obviously, you could do this at the Mac store, and I'm not going to buy every version because I'm actually considering keeping this version and splitting it with my fiance. So pretty good size. I did have the M1 Max 16-inch about a year ago. This one just feel actually heavier compared to the M1. Inside the box, you get the MagSafe. The braided cord matches the Starlight version. Looks pretty awesome as well. And I'm expecting, a small, I don't think it comes with a dual charger, does it? Oh, it does. So from the Apple Store, it comes with the dual charger. I don't know if there was actually a choice I could have made, I guess when I was checking out in the beginning, but what I picked up in store, which was available online and probably still is available if you check near you. This is like the hidden configuration, which is the 1 terabyte. You could probably pick this up today. 16 gigabyte, 1 terabyte. I'm not exactly sure if this dual thing impacts the shipping, but this is what they had in store. So this is what came in. So that's in the box of what you could pick up in store today, and I expect that would be the similar versions when you get the 256 or the other baseline, which is 512. So setting the box aside, we now have the M2. Just initial impressions. So compared to I did have the M1 MacBook Air as well. This one seems heavier. So we're going to do further testing. I primarily focus on like OBS, Twitch, streaming, stuff of that nature. I don't know if I picked that sound up on the camera, but here you have it. Loading up for the first time. Came at a pretty good charge, hopefully. So we'll be exploring OBS, recording, gaming. I just play Dota 2 in League, but I take requests as well. A lot of people want to see War Thunder, Alien Isolation. You can check the channel on the previous stuff for what I did for the M1 Max, but this is primarily what you... Whoa, not in Afghanistan. This is what you'll be expecting. I do have quite a busy weekend. I gotta attend a wedding, and some friends from out of town are coming, so won't be as fast as I usually do it. But I did want to get this content out here. So I'll be messing with this for a bit longer. I don't even know what my Wi-Fi is. I'm at a friend's house right now. He has a pretty nice place. Check out the previous version. We'll see if this one comes with Ventura, so you could use the iPhone as a camera. I did that on the 16-inch, but I'm on the beta software. We'll see what software comes in this one. And yeah, other than that, leave some comments if you want to see what video games you'd like me to test or any other software. I'm willing to test it out for you guys. And again, this isn't the 24 gigabyte RAM, this is the 16 gigabyte, but it's the 10 core GPU. So hopefully getting better performance on Dota 2. League was fine on M1, and this could be my day-to-day use because of stuff I put over here. This was my G15 gaming computer that I use for recording. It's got the RTX 3070, which I think records better than when I tested OBS for streaming on the M1. But you know, some people like fanless, some people like weightless. So initial impressions. Hope you guys follow the content. I'll try to get everyone's requests in on comments, and I'll see you guys in the next video. But yeah, what do you guys think of the Starlight? Looks pretty cool, eh? I like it. The notch, just like what you saw in the M1 Pro and M1 Max 14-inch. Not bad. I like it. So obviously missing out on the M1 promotion, but it'll have to do. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.